Today we are going to learn composition of functions and other operations, but we're going to focus on the composition only because guess what? That's probably the newest thing, right? So we're going to start off with addition, and when we add functions, we really are just taking our f of x and adding our g of x. So this notation means the same thing as this, okay? So we take our f of x, 2x plus 8, and we add our g of x. Now, once we have an addition sign, oh look, I almost did that again. Once we have an addition sign, we can drop the parentheses. So because we have an addition sign in between, we can drop the parentheses and then add like terms. So we'll get 4x plus 5. Subtraction is very similar to that, except for instead of adding, we're subtracting. So we still have the f of x, but now instead of an addition sign, we're going to have subtraction. And when we have subtraction, we add the opposite. So we change this into addition, and then we make everybody inside the following parenthesis opposites. So we will end up with 2x plus 8 minus 2x plus 3. And we add like terms, which makes this go away, and we'll just get 11. So this next one is multiplication. So when you have that closed dot, it's multiplication. So all we're doing is we're taking the f of x, 2x plus 8, and we're multiplying it by the h of x, which is x plus 4. And there's nothing in between. So that's the difference that you can see, that this is not addition, this is not subtraction, this is multiplication. When there's nothing between, that's what we're going to get. So we distribute 2x squared plus 8x plus 8x plus 32. So this is 2x squared plus 16x plus 32. Okay. Next we're going to have, okay, this is going to be the answer for that one. Okay, next we're going to go ahead and divide. So we're really, most of the time you're just going to be putting the function that's on top, and the function that's on the bottom. But occasionally you'll be able to simplify. In this case, we can simplify because we can factor out a 2, and that will leave the same factor on the top and the bottom. Okay. I have a little typo on this composition. I think I will fix it by the time you see this, but composition of functions works like this. It goes from right to left. So I'm going to take the x and put it into g, and then whatever comes out, I'm going to put into f. And sometimes you can look at it as 2f of g of x, like almost like a function machine. Something's going to go into g first, and then into f, because we're going to be going this way. So we go up and we see what g is. G is 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3. And f is 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. Let's not put the x in. Okay, now it said we're going to drop in an x. So we drop in an x, and we'll end up with 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 comes out and drops into this one, 2x minus 3. So after we distribute, we'll have 4x minus 6 plus 8, which is 4x plus 2, and this will be your answer. So that's the way looking at it with the machine notation. If I was going to do it the other way, I'm going to do f of, and then I'm going to put an x into g. Well, when I put an x into g, I just get 2x minus 3. And then for f, everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a 2x minus 3. And so we'll distribute, and we'll get 4x minus 6 plus 8, which again is 4x plus 2. So it doesn't matter which way you do it, you guys. It just doesn't matter. So for all of these, if you guys wanted to do it the harder way, you could do all of these out and then substitute your value in, right? Or you can put your value into each and then add, or put your value into each and then subtract, put your value into each and then multiply. I always do it the second way. So f minus h of 2 is going to be equal to f of 2 minus h of 2. So obviously I need to put the 2 into the f function first, which is 2x plus 8. So 2x plus 8. This is going to be f of 2. We'll put a 2 in, and we're going to get 4 plus 8, or 12. So this is our 12. And then next we'll go and find h of 2. And our h function is x plus 4. So x plus 4. So we put the 2 in for everywhere that there was an x, and we're going to get 6. So that's a 6. But what we're doing here is we are subtracting these. So we're subtracting these, and so that's where we're going to get a 6. Okay, similarly for the next one, this is equal to g of 3 times h of 3. So we go find g of 3, 2x minus 3, 2 times 3 minus 3. And that's going to be 6 minus 3, or 3. And then the next one, h of 3, our h is x plus 4. So x plus 4, we're going to put the 3 in for the x, and we get 7. So we get a 7. And it's asking us to multiply, so we are going to multiply these, and we get 21. Okay. The next thing that we're going to do is composition. So the first thing that we need to find is h of negative 3. And h of negative 3 is x plus 4. So we put a negative 3 in, and that is going to give us a 1. Now we're going to find f of 1, because that's the next thing that we're going to do is the f function. And so when we go to f, that's 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8, and so this is going to be 2 plus 8, or 10. Okay, almost there, guys. All right, the next one, we're just, see how this 2 is in front of the f? Well, that's just going to be 2 times whatever the f function is, and it's 2x plus 8. And then we have minus 3, and then our g of x, which is 2x minus 3. So first, we're going to take a 2 and distribute it, 4x plus 16. Then we're going to take a negative 3 and distribute it. So we're going to get negative 6x plus 9. And all we're going to do now is add like terms. This guy will make negative 2x, and this guy is going to make 25. Okay, last one. Again, it's a composition, and so we can write it like it is right now, or we can say h of g of negative 2, which shows you that we're going to first take that negative 2 into g. So g of negative 2, g is 2x minus 3. So we put the negative 2 in, and we get negative 4 minus 3, which is negative 7. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do h of negative 7, because that's going to fall into the h. And h is x plus 4. So we put the negative 7 in, and we're going to just get negative 3. So this guy is negative 3. Just like the top one was negative 2x plus 25. Okay, I hope this helps you guys. Take care.